Aileen Catapuzan. I've been seeing Dr. Leland for years.
So we're gonna fix Eileen's headache, neck, and her feet.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Raise your right arm up, arm straight. Push up to the sky. Love the outfit today. By the way.
Thank you.
Push up. Try again. Push up. Good. Down. Up. And push up here. Push up. Beautiful. Good. Look down.
Nice. Thank
Down.
you.
Good. Bend away. Good. Bend towards me here. Good. Look left. Good. Look right. Good. Put your arm all up to the sky. Push up to the sky. Push up. Push up. Push up.
Yeah.
Try again. Push up. No, push up here. Push up.
Oh, yes, strong right.
Good. Yeah. Look up to your left. Good. Drop your shoulder down. Nice big smile. Let it go. Let it go all the way. Look up. Look up. Good. Beautiful.
Okay.
Up. Push up here. Push up. Push up. Push up. Much better.
Wow, strong.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. All the way up. Push up here. Push up. Push up.
No.
Push up here. Push up. Good.
Nice.
Good. Okay. Look up to your right. Good. Big nice big smile. Let it go. Good.
Oh, nice.
Up. Push up.
Nice.
Good.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Excellent.
Oh,
Okay. Look down. Push down. Push down here. Push down. Push. 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 Good. Turn. Push down. Push. 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 Good. Here. Push down. Push. Good. Right to the clavicle here. Look up to the sky a little bit. Good. Look down. Push down. Push down. Push down. Much better.
wow. Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Good. Turn this way. Both legs up on the table. Good. Okay. Hands behind the neck and look at fingers. Good. Chin down. Deep breath in. Pull me up.
Ah, yes. Thank you.
Deep breath in. Pull me up. Good. Excellent. All right, letting feet apart. Push out here. Push out. Okay. Knees up.
Yes.
Knees together. Push together. Push. Beautiful. Okay. Down. Feet apart. Push apart. Good. Right leg push out. Good. Left leg push out. Beautiful. Good. Right leg straight up. Push up. Up. And push up. And head to your left. Up right. Good. Up right. Okay. Up. And push up.
Wow, strong.
Yep.
Yes.
Up. Push up.
Oh,
Good.
nice. Thank you.
Done. Okay. Bring your right knee up, knee to your chest and pull. Good. Excellent. Up and pull. Good. Okay, let's go look at your feet. Okay. Pull this foot up. Hold it up here. Hold it. Good. Pull this foot up. Hold it. Good. Okay. Push out here. Push out. And there. Push out here. Push out. And there. Bend. Okay. And here we go. Nice. Okay, and push out, push.
Oh, strong.
Yep,
Yes.
push out here, push. Good, thank you, good. Bend the leg, point the foot down, pull your foot to your butt and pull.
Oh, no.
Point and pull. One, two, and three. Here we go. Good. Okay. Point and pull. Pull. Good.
Oh, yeah, strong. Thank you.
Good. Point down and pull. Pull. Good. Beautiful. Let's see. Yeah. Right arm. Left leg up. Push up to the sky. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Nope. Taking the other side up. Push up here. Push up, push up, push up. Here's some of the voodoo powers. God works in mysterious ways, right? Up. And push up here. Push up.
Oh, wow.
Up.
What did you do? Strong.
1, 2, 3, up.
And Dr. Leland,
Yes.
I have a deal that I've been working on,
Yep.
but I've been having stress about it.
Yep.
It's proceeding well, but
Yep.
I just have a lot of anxiety over it because I do want it to close.
Okay.
I have a lot of stress about it and anxiety.
Okay.
Can you maybe help?
Sure, sure. Let's lay face up.
Face up. Okay.
Do you mind having this on camera or do you want us?
Oh, no.
Okay.
This way, yeah.
Arm up. Good. Okay. And hold here. Good. And beautiful. Good. So think about work. Think about work. No. Think about work projects, work employees, work staff. No. Think about home. Think about family. What stresses you out right now?
Oh, bills.
Bills.
Yeah.
Bills.
Yes.
Yeah. What does previous debt mean to you emotionally?
What does it mean?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, it's a ball and chain.
But what does it mean to you? How does it affect you emotionally? What's it mean to
It
you?
is a burden.
It's a burden, but how will it affect you if you don't pay it off?
And I'm not keeping my word.
So not keeping your word. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So just focus on that. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Always keep your eyes closed. Breathe in from the nose. All the way out. Good. And last time, big breath in. And all the way out. Good. Good. Excellent. Hand back up. Arms straight. Good. Okay. Think about the bills. Think about the bills. Okay. Think about the previous. What do you call it? You were in debt previously, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Think about not keeping your word. Okay. Alright. Cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One up. 1, 2, and 3. Fantastic.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
Good job.
Doc, you're the best.
You are the best, Aileen.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.